I'm Dr. Preeti Manekar, Principal of Shri Santa Garoba Shikshan Samsthas, Hind English Medium School, Gurukool, Pune. I wish to introduce you to the Gurukool, the real change maker. Welcome. Welcome to the world of impulsive breakthroughs, vibrant energies, gravitating ideas, and rebellious principles. Welcome to Gurukool, where a subsystem of belief, time tested traditions, and its most refined upmarket efficacy, where rationality only succumbs to superrationality and intelligence can only struggle to decode wisdom, where maths is treated as a tool to create logical intelligence and languages are used to create a cultural cult in students. Here, the science that would lead you to your future, which would inspire you to create a larger than life ideological canvas and paint picture never finished into your physical livings. The education which could melt you to acquire a size and shape which makes it apparent that everything is within you. Our concept of brain formatting, brain book are making memorizing needless. Our trust is headed by Honorable Mr. Suresh Kote sir as the President and Mrs. Kiran Taure ma'am as the Secretary. Our psychological reports, psychographic reports, intelligence profiling, brain mapping is really helping every child to discover his true and unique potential index. We are truly aspire to create leaders for tomorrow in multiple fields, though they are thought leaders, action leaders, moral leaders, or human leader. Come, discover, if not invent. Thank you.